Hi everybody and welcome back to Amica Electronics, your eBay source for high-quality iPhone accessories. Hey, today we're really excited to show you this new iPhone FM transmitter and hands-free car kit unit. It's offered by Amica Electronics. It's the new 2010 version called All Car Kit FM Transmitter. Now this is going to allow you to talk wirelessly, hands-free while in your car, as well as listen to your iPhone music. Let's take a look at the box and how it's going to arrive once you order it. Now, once you order it, it's going to come in this sturdy box. It's going to come protected. You can see that it has molding on the side. On the sides here, you can see all of the products that you can use in this particular unit. Let's open it up. It has a seal right here at the top. Let's break the seal and let's take it out. Take it out. The custom molding is right here. Set that down. Now you can see that your unit is self-contained in its own molded unit. This is the 3.5 millimeter audio cable. The new 2010 version, you'll be able to tell because it's gold tipped. So you'll know you're getting the latest edition of this FM transmitter. Let's take the unit out and show you how it plugs in and how it's to be used. Now, this unit is going to fit comfortably in your cigarette lighter. When you get your unit, you can see that it has an audio plug on one side, and that's where your 3.5 millimeter audio cable is going to plug into. The other part of this is actually going to hook into your iDevice that you decide to put into your car kit. On the other side here, we have a USB hookup. Now this USB hookup is going to allow you, while you have a unit in here, to externally charge something else. So for example, your Bluetooth needs charging. Let's take our Apple Bluetooth. You just simply plug it in the side here and it can be charging while you're using your car kit. Device in place, they are maneuverable and will hold it without blocking any of the docking station here. The gooseneck. The gooseneck is a very important part of this feature because every car has a different cigarette lighter in a different position. For a ground unit, you may want it at a U shape. For a side dash, you may want it straight out and bent back. This gooseneck is made from a sturdy cable. Now let's bring out an iPhone and show you how it actually fits in and it works. For today's demonstration, let's just open up the sides here. The sides are the silicone edges here that are maneuverable. You press a button on the side and they open up. The back here is fully silicone also. Slide your phone down onto the two prongs so you can see that it's sitting on the two prongs. Bring your clips together firmly and tight. And there we are. It's in. Now you want to plug your audio cable right into the top of your iPhone. And then your docking station right at the bottom here. Just slide that in. Now we're fully functional and ready to take it out of the studio and take it out to the car so we can show you how you're going to be able to hear your calls come in over your speakers and operate this wirelessly. So let's go on out to the car now and we'll give you a demo. Hi everybody, welcome back. We're in the car now. Now I just want to show you that we have actually plugged it in, but I'm going to pull it out. This is our socket, and down below here is our ground car lighter. Now we call this a ground unit because it's facing towards the ground. There are some units that are actually in the side of your dash, and there are others that are actually on the dashboard. So it's not a wall unit, it's not on the dash, but this one is a ground. So let's plug it in, make sure it's firmly in there. You're going to see a light illuminate right at the top. There the light comes on right at the top. So that means that we are receiving power. Now the gooseneck here is adjustable. So let me just take it out one more time and show you that it is completely flexible, but it is stiff too. So once you find the position that you want, that's when you safely plug it in. You don't want to move it around. Get it to the point you want. The light is on, we've got power. Now, I just want to show you a couple of features. While we're sitting here, the docking station is at the bottom. The USB is on the side here. So you've got a USB on the side here. And what this allows you to do is once you have your device in, perhaps an iPhone, you're plugged in, you also can plug in a USB here and you could be charging another extra unit. For example, you have your Bluetooth. You have another item that has a USB hookup for charging. You would just plug it in there while you're actually using your device and you could be charging another unit. Let's go ahead and bring in our iPhone. first of all, we want to release the clamps on the side. They're fully released now. These are silicone clamps here and a silicone backing, which is going to protect your phone and make sure that it is secure in there at the same time. We have two bottom prongs that are going to hold it in place in between the docking. So let's set it in here on the two prongs. Now you can see it's on the prongs. Let's clamp down firmly. Make sure that it's in there tight. Now we're in. Now what we want to do is let's dock it. Here we go. Let's plug in from the bottom. You should see a battery come on immediately once I put this in. Let's plug it in. There's our battery. Now that battery tells you that if it wasn't charged, it would start charging immediately. At this point, I want to remind you that this is a transmitter, so we want to set a radio station that has static on it to this frequency. So for demonstration purposes today, we've chosen 88.3. Now, 88.3 is just a station in our particular area that carries static on it. There's two buttons here, which is a down arrow and an up arrow, and you can safely just press on it and change the station. Let's take it back down to 88.3. Let's put it in place. Now, once you've done that, then you want to set your car stereo to 88.3. So take the time, adjust your car stereo to 88.3 so the two are synced. Now, once you've done that, on the side here of the transmitter, we have a 3.5 millimeter audio cable. So there's a docking into the transmitter. You want to take the other end of the cable and you actually want to plug it into your phone. This is important. Your phone is not going to work properly unless you take it all the way down and hear it click. Now we've got a click in there, and basically we are now ready to use this wirelessly. So let's go ahead and find a station where we can play some music and also take a phone call so we can show you how the music plays, and then the music will mute when a phone call comes in so you can take the call. The mute will allow your caller to come through on the speakers and you'll be talking wirelessly and safely. So let's go ahead and put some music on and then we'll take a call and show you how this functions. So now we're ready to use the hands-free section. So let me go ahead and put some music on and then we'll have a phone call come in. So we're going to Pandora. So let's go ahead and get some music on, and you'll hear it come through wirelessly. There it is, coming through wirelessly. Good sound. Now we're going to get a phone call. So we're going to have a phone call come in. You're going to hear the radio get muted, and the phone call will come in. There, the phone call is coming in. There it is. Amica Electronics is calling. Let's go ahead and answer it, test the quality. Hello?
Hi, can you hear me?
I can hear you perfectly. How's our sound? Does it sound good?
Nice and clear.
All right. Hey, I really appreciate it. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
The call ends and the music comes back up, just like that, hands-free and wirelessly. There we go. We're back to music again. Now, once you're finished, this is the safest way you can see to drive and use your iPhone. I want to thank you for seeing how our all-car kit FM transmitter offered by Amica Electronics works and functions. This is the safest tool to have when you drive and use your iPhone. Hey, come visit us at Amica Electronics, your eBay source for high-quality electronic items. Hey, we'll see you next time.